Yep. So we're gonna ask our contestants a few questions about the Earth. Nick, why do you think the Earth revolves around the sun?
Because the sun has a gravitational pull on the Earth, and it's on an orbit, which takes about 1 year.
Good. That about sums it up right there. So, hi, Gabby.
Hi.
How do you think the axis is related to day and night?
To day and night?
Yeah.
Well, I know the Earth's axis, it rotates on that axis, so one rotation is 1 day, so maybe that's how?
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Hi, Luke. Could you answer the question, what is an orbit?
I think that an orbit is probably something's path around another object or something like that.
Yeah, that's close enough. Back to you, Nick. What is a solar system in terms of orbit of planets?
All the planets orbit around the sun in our solar system.
Well, that's correct. Gabby, back to you.
Yes.
Luke, don't make a stink face. Gabby, why and how do we see a lunar eclipse occur?
Well, we see a lunar eclipse because when the sun and the Earth are in line, the Earth blocks the moon from getting getting light from the sun, so it looks dark. And we see it every month and a half or so. And the moon has to be in full phase too.
How? It's right on. Sorry. Why do we see different phases of the moon?
We see different phases of the moon because only like half of the ones are at any given time. So like, as the moon goes around the sun, we see like it shines at different angles, and that's the later part that we see of the moon.
Oh, good. Could you name 3 of them for me?
Flora, waning crescent moon, moon.
Very.
Well done.
So, Nick, how does the moon affect the tides?
The moon affects the tides because the moon has a gravitational pull on the water, and the water bulges in the direction of the moon. And then it rises and falls.
Good. Gabby, how the tilt of the axis of the orbit affects seasons?
Well, the Earth orbits the sun. On one side of the orbit, the Earth is tilted towards the sun, so the sun's rays are hitting the Earth at a more direct angle, causing it to be warmer, just summer. On the other side of the orbit, tilted away from the sun, and the Earth's rays aren't hitting at a more of an extreme angle, so it's colder, causing winter.
Oh, good.
Yeah, very good.
Luke, how events on the sun affects communications and power grids on Earth?
Forgive me, I'm a bit nervous. Solar winds can affect communications on Earth, and solar winds are a continuous path of ions, I think, given off by magnetics from the sun. And they make magnetic loops around space, and instead of going right back to the sun, they go through the planets and the whole solar system and stuff. And they also,
That's good. Good.
That's a good explain.
Very well. Okay, Nick, explain how a telescope works.
A telescope collects a lot of light from an object in the lens. Then it is magnified to make up more room on your retina to make the object seem bigger using the eyepiece.
Thank you. Gabby. What's up, man? So how do you think telescopes help us see into space?
Well, the telescope gathers light and spread it out on your retina, making it look bigger so you can see objects in space more clearer.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's good because you can only see some stuff with your naked eye.
yes, the naked eye.
So what could you see? What do you think you can see with your naked eye? What would be something, what's a constellation you can see?
Like the Little Dipper.
Exactly. She knows what she's talking about.
Yeah.
I might have to stab her to get her out of the
Could you
conversation.
explain a history
and try. The Egyptians divided the parade of stars each night into 12 sections. Same with the morning. Therefore,
Cool.
therefore, that equals a rotation of the Earth.
No, you tried. It's therefore there are 24 sections, which equals 24 hours. Got it? It's okay.
Just stab your
We know. You know how hard it is, Nick. Current theory of a day?
Oh, the theory was that the moon was part of the Earth, and an asteroid hit it and broke it off.
Okay. Thank you. Gabby, answer the question about the Earth 1/3 the size.
Are you asking me like if another planet like Earth was 1/3 the size, would it be the same?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Well, I think so, because it would just be so similar to the Earth we have now.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that all you gotta say?
That's all I got to say.
It's good. Luke, I'm sorry, but I think we had to disqualify you. But it was good having you on the show, buddy.
Good having you on the show.
Yep.
Game show.
It was good having all of you on the show. Thank you.
Down, 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 down. Guess who's back, back again, again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Now everyone report to the dance floor, to the dance floor, to the dance floor.
Duly note, Nick's knife was a tad dirty. Hi, how are you? Hi. So tell us a little bit about yourself. Really? You guys.
Yeah. Sorry, I can't say it now. It has to just come naturally.
It's a bad word. You know what?
Just save all these.
These short messages about the Earth.